European integration has brought peace to our continent. The enlargement of the EU has extended our area of liberty, peace and prosperity, and reunited our continent.
What matters now is how to continue this success story into the future.
People and markets have become very much intertwined. In such a world, no single EU country can tackle today's challenges alone. Our world partners need to hear the EU speak with one voice and not with 27 different ones.
Only if we are united can we be successful in today's world.
Our current EU foreign policy does not respond to the challenges of today's world.
If we want the European Union to play a role in world affairs and to really contribute to make the world a safer place, then we should be true to our rhetoric and we should follow up on our declarations with acts.
We need to make better use of the many instruments that are available, from trade agreements to diplomatic punch to crisis management missions.
We should develop a variety of instruments in our foreign and security policy, from soft power measures to hard power employment of European military forces. I think a common European defense, security and foreign policy would make the European Union capable to make its mark on the international scene.
But Europe must do this coherently and provide the assets and the personnel to do the job. Liberals will make sure that Europe is heard on the world stage and contribute to a better world. Vote Liberal in June 2009.